Hey guys, I was actually not in the mood to film this video. That's why I look a bit crazy. I was like, you know what, since I'm doing my hair, I might as well take out the camera and film it. So that's why I just put a bit of lip gloss. I am now going to start my hair, and I just moisturized my hair because my hair has been in a ponytail for the past few days, so it's been really dry. Let me just show you guys the products that I used. So firstly, I wet my hair with a mixture of water and conditioner just so that I'm not combing my hair while it is dry. Then I used the Originals Moisturizing Growth Lotion. This makes my hair really soft and smells amazing. And then I just ended it off with the Soft and Free moisturizing hair food because I just like the smell, and you know, why not. And once I was done moisturizing my whole entire head, I just made a middle part all the way down. And yes, I don't care for having a line all the way down to the end. Like, I don't care for bricklayering and whatever because I do my own hair, so I really don't care how the back looks. Okay, as long as it looks good, it looks good. Okay, I don't care. I used the Darling color number 33, and this is the 1 million fiber, and I bought 5 packets of them. I've started stretching out the first packet, and this is what it looks like. Guys, this fiber is such good quality. Like, it's giving human hair. Like, just look at this. I've already stretched out half of a packet. Now I'm going to do the other half. To part my hair, I usually use the Isoplus gel, but this is literally finished. Like, there's barely any product in there, so I'm just going to use the molding gel wax from Styling Dreads. Done with the very first braid or twist, whatever you want to call it, and it already looks cute. Like, I can already imagine myself rocking this hairstyle. But this is what it looks like. Just secured it at the ends because I'm going to curl them, because one thing about me, I love me some curls. Like, I love curls, so I'm going to curl it at the end. But that's just how I do my twist. I'm going to show you guys how I do it again with another braid. Hi guys, this is a quick update. It's actually the next day as I started last night. So yeah, this is a quick update. I'm almost done with half of one side. I only have a few more left to do on this side, then I'll be completely done with this half of my hair. And I have currently finished 2 packets. So yeah, 2 packets can do half of my head, and I still have 3 more packets. So I'm going to make like this side more fuller because I like my hair to be full, and like I thought I would run out of hair, but like I still have 3 more packets. So yeah, I'm going to make it more fuller. But let me just show you guys how the back is looking like. Are you looking like? And as you can see, I only have a few more braids left. The hairstyle is coming out really cute, and I'm sure you guys can see the color now. It's like a dark maroon kind of brownish type of color, and it's really cute. I really like it. Hi guys, so I am done doing my hair. As you can see, it looks super neat. Like, just look at this. Super cute, and it's actually not a dark brown as I've been saying. It's actually like a maroonish type of color. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, like it's kind of like a dark reddish type of brown. But yeah, I am done finally. It took me like a full day to do my hair, and it's really cute. Like, I've been really loving twists. Like, this is the second time I'm doing twists. Like, I don't think I'm going to braids anytime soon. Now I'm just going to curl the ends because I love blah 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 curl. So I'm going to curl the ends using pegs, and I'm going to show you guys how to curl your hair using pegs. You're just gonna take a small section of hair. I like tight curls, so that's why I'm taking a small section.